Welcome to Tips and Tricks by Zeekay. Our YouTube channel and Facebook page are your go-to sources for all things cooking, lifestyle, self-care, fashion, and makeup. We're here to inspire and guide you on your journey to a more fulfilling and stylish life. Join us as we dive into the world of culinary delights, sharing mouth-watering recipes, kitchen hacks, and expert cooking tips that will elevate your culinary skills to new heights. From quick and easy meals for busy days to impressive dishes for special occasions, we've got you covered. But that's not all. We also delve into the realm of lifestyle, offering practical advice and creative ideas to enhance your everyday life. From organization hacks to home decor tips, we'll help you create spaces that reflect your unique personality and make your life more enjoyable. Self-care is at the heart of our mission, and we believe that taking care of yourself is essential for a balanced and happy life. Join us as we explore self-care routines, mindfulness techniques, and wellness practices that will nourish your mind, body, and soul. Fashion and makeup enthusiasts, we've got you covered too. Discover the latest trends, fashion tips, and styling tricks that will help you express your personal style with confidence. From makeup tutorials to skincare routines, we'll share expert advice to enhance your natural beauty and elevate your look. Whether you're a foodie, a fashionista, a beauty lover, or simply someone who enjoys living their best life, Tips and Tricks by Zeekay is here to inspire and empower you. Follow us on YouTube and Facebook to stay up to date with our latest videos, posts, and exclusive content. Get ready to transform your cooking, lifestyle, self-care, fashion, and makeup game. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. See you with informative videos. Take care.